welcome to Crafting Therapy, and I'm excited for you to be here today. Today I'm going to show you some crafting supplies that I ordered from Temu. A lot of like stationery type things like papers and ephemera that you might be interested in. I know that not everybody orders online, but I did want to show you what I found. And what I'm going to show you also is going to tell you the price that I paid for it, so that if you're interested, you can look for that, because a lot of these prices are pretty much lower than you can find in the store. If you're interested in Temu and your first time, there is a link below that you can use my code and get some more discounts. So anyway, let's jump in and see what I found today. Let's open this bag. Now, if you notice, this bag is white where it used to be orange. So I'm not really sure why they changed their packaging, but that's okay. We're just going to cut in and see all the goodness that is in here. I'm going to take everything out, and then I will get the pricing for you so you can see what things cost and what they actually are. So it might take a minute, and let's check it out. All right, let's jump in. So the first thing that I'm going to show you are the dictionary words. You get all of these. So there's 2, 4, 6, and these are all dictionary words through certain alphabet. So like words from L to N, words from C to D. Let's see which ones I got. S through Z, G through H, O through R, and E through F. So these are like a random pack, and you get 800 pieces. So there's 800 different words in here, and it is A through Z vocabulary, no adhesive, it's just paper, and it was $7.98 for all of this. So let me show you what they look like. You can order these from different places too, and you just go through and you can see different words. And I like using words on my junk journals, so you can add those. You can add your coloring or whatever you'd like. So all of this, throw it around. Okay, next I want to show you some of the stamps I got. Let's see, the retro rubber stamps, clear. Let's see which one it is. Just a second. All right, so you can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different stamp sets. This stamp set is your, it's called Cartoon Transparent, and these are like the little coffee stain circles. Now, of course, you can use any circle if you wanted to put ink on it and stamp it, but these are already ready for you, and these are all different stamps, and this was $1.52 for this one. Then this one here with the different it's kind of like postage mark, approved or filed, received, different types of wording here. These are $6.98. Then this one is $1.60. This is your background. Looks like ledger, different invoice type of thing. This is a really fun one, and that was $1.60. Then this one is your outlines, your stamps, your little ephemera look to from type of thing. These were $1.26 for this set. And then the last set of stamps that I got was $1.98. Same similar thing, with the different shapes, and you can use those on all of your junk journals. So I thought that was a great deal. Then I did get some nameplates. These are the brass, antique brass. It's like they call it a drawer cabinet, like you would put on a filing cabinet. Let me show you. And you could put your plate in there to say what's in that file cabinet drawer. But I like to use these on my junk journals. And you get 12 of these for $161. And they came with the little screw if you wanted to put it into an actual wood piece. I use brads with that for junk journal covers. Then I also got 30 pieces of vintage alloy. These are called tag connectors, but they're really beautiful. And they say handmade. Let me show you how it looks. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. So there's 30 of these, and you could use it in whatever area that you like. Then I did get some papers, so you can see right here, these have 50 sheets each in them. They were a little bit different price. Let's see. This one, 50 sheets. This is your retro Western Union Telegram papers, and this was $1.52. Then you have the ledger look with the light, and it was $1.52. Then this one, I believe it was same page, $1.52. So the graph paper, you get 50 sheets in each of those. Then this one is a 30-sheet sticker memo. So these are coffee diary. Let me show you out of the package on this one. And these are like, you can pull each one off. It's actually perforated. You look right there. And you can pull that like out like that. It's not a sticker page, but each one is perforated, which is kind of cool. And that one was $1.43. And this one also was $1.43. It's just a little bit different coloring, you can see. And it's also called Coffee Diary, but it's a little bit different. And these are all perforated. So that's pretty cool. This is a sticker book. I think they had different colors. And inside it's got different papers. It has some stickers in here. They're really pretty. Greenery, some mushrooms, flowers. And these are actually on like a sticker backing. So you can use that. And then these are some papers. So this was actually $5.96. And it's really pretty nice. I think these are all stickers. It feels like a sticker, and that's what the book, the description says. So let me see if I can pull this apart easily. Yep, so that's a sticker, and it's actually kind of translucent. So pretty nice. They're 40 pages. Next, I did get some hardware. So they have these little clamps, and it's fun to add the little metal clamps to your pages. So these, you get 20. That looks like way more than 20, but it says 20. And you get 20 for $2.98. And then I also ordered some of these little mini paper clips. I love these little paper clips. Now this was a variety, so it had the like gold, the antique look, and then kind of a copper and the silver. So I can get it out of the packaging here. And these are the neatest to use. I want to be careful I'm not spraying them everywhere. But these are the little tiny, tiny paper clips that you can use in your junk journals. So for this, it's 300 for $6.48. So that should last a little while. Then I did order some more of this pretty ribbon. Now this has actually a rhinestone on it. You get 1 yard for $1.48, and it has the pretty bows on it. It's fun to use. And then let's see, we got the large bill stickers, and what these are is they look like old bills or like library dates due, and these are all stickers, and it was $2.24 for 53 pieces, so that's kind of a good deal, or a very good deal. And then the last couple things are, well, the last little things are stickers, and I got 2 packages. One is European and American furniture stickers, and the other one is sewing. I believe this one is the sewing, and the sewing was a set for $2.76. Let me show them to you. They're very, very pretty, really Victorian, and gorgeous. Will be fun to use. And then with the pinks there. And then this one is the furniture, and the furniture was $2.48 also. Let me show you some of these really pretty stickers. Really pretty. It's not furniture though, it's got vases though, but really very pretty. And so I did get a couple of things to do with storage and organization. So I'll show you that really quick. I did get this basket here. It slides under your table, and then you can put like things you want to reach to really quick. And it's a wire basket. And the wire basket was, let me find it. I think I had to skip it earlier on my order page. Let me find the price for that. So this wire basket that slides under your table, it was $5.48 or $84. Then I did get another one of these. I use these types of little plastic bins to store things that I'm working on at the time. And so like I'll put ephemera or maybe inks or whatever in that I want to use for a specific project, and then I can pull that aside. So this is actually a pencil case, and it was $2.89. And then I did get these 2 little ones, which is the same use. And these are, they'll hold like a deck of cards in them. You get 2 for $1.99. So you get 2. And then one last thing, or 2 things, just a second. This is a package of parchment paper. You could get 50, 100, or 200. This is the small pack of 50. It's 9 by 13, and that's what it is. It's parchment paper. So you can use it actually for baking if you wanted to, but I want to use it in my journals. So that's what that is for. It was $2.96. And then the very last thing, this is a file box, and the file box was $1.29, and I believe that will hold an 8.5 by 11 sheet. And it's, you could put anything that you're using, you know, like you've got some papers or something you're using, has this nice closure here, and it'll hold a little bit, not a whole lot, but they are stackable. Also, they have these little kind of built-in ledge feet that you could stack them on so they don't slide back and forth. So there you go. And that's my haul from Temu. I hope you enjoyed it. Everybody did want to see it. So I straightened up a little bit here so you can see a lot of fun things that I'm going to be able to play with. I need to organize for my junk journals, and I hope you find some things that you're looking for as well. Well, have a great day, and watch for another video. I'm going to be doing a video finishing up the inside of my winter journal. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, and let me just interject. Don't forget it's birthday month. Head over to birthday month and check out that video. I'm going to link it below so that you can go over and enter to win the big mystery box surprise. Thanks so much. Bye.